welcome back to the channel. My name is Anya, and for today's video I want to show you how to make a chocolate Charlotte cake. This is actually for a friend's birthday party, so I'll show you how I make it, and you could perhaps also make this for a friend's birthday party, your own birthday, or just a get-together. If you're having a get-together, you can make it this dessert. It is really simple and easy to make. I've made a Charlotte cake in the past, so it's very similar to this chocolate Charlotte cake. The traditional Charlotte cake, I believe, is strawberry, and I'll link it above where I've done it years ago. But it's the original strawberry chocolate mousse cake, so just check that out. So onto the video. I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe.